Hello everyone, this is Manisha Banda from Sambalpur, Odisha. I welcome you all again in my YouTube channel, that is Manisha's Magical Biology. And in the previous video, we had discussed about the restriction enzymes. I had fully given the detailed information about the restriction enzymes. Yes. So, what are the types of restriction enzymes we had discussed in the previous video? There are two types of restriction enzymes. First is restriction exonucleases, second is restriction endonucleases. First is restriction exonucleases, second is restriction endonucleases. So what are the restriction exonucleases? Restriction exonucleases cut the DNA at the terminal ends. Restriction exonucleases cut the DNA at the terminal ends, and restriction endonucleases cut the DNA at specific location anywhere within the length of the DNA. Restriction endonucleases cut the DNA anywhere within the length of the DNA. Remember, it is very significant difference between the two. Restriction exonucleases cut the DNA from the terminal ends, and restriction endonucleases cut the DNA at specific location from anywhere within the length of the DNA. Okay. And in this video, I would be giving information about two groups of scientists and what is their contribution in this restriction enzymes. So, I'm going to discuss about the first group of scientists. What are the names of the scientists? Stewart Leen and Werner Arber. Stewart Leen and Werner Arber, these two scientists isolated two enzymes from E. coli, Escherichia coli bacteria. Stewart Leen and Werner Arber isolated two enzymes from E. coli that were responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophages. Stewart Leen and Werner Arber isolated two enzymes from E. coli that were responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophages, and out of the two enzymes, one enzyme added methyl groups to DNA. Out of the two enzymes, one enzyme added methyl groups to DNA, and another enzyme cut the DNA into segments. One enzyme added methyl groups to DNA, and another enzyme cut the DNA into segments. Okay. So, what are the names of the scientists? It is very easy. Stewart Leen and Werner Arber. They isolated two enzymes from E. coli, Escherichia coli bacteria. Two enzymes from E. coli, Escherichia coli bacteria that were responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophage. And out of the two enzymes, one of them added methyl groups to DNA and another cut the DNA into segments. Okay, so this is the contribution of the first group of scientists I told. I'm going to discuss about another group of scientists. What is the name of another group of scientists? Three scientists are there. H.O. Smith. First, I'm telling the names first. H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox, and T.J. Kelly. H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox, and T.J. Kelly. H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox, and T.J. Kelly. These are the three scientists. What did they do? What did they contribute to the restriction enzymes? They had isolated the first restriction endonuclease. From the bacterium. Haemophilus influenzae. What is the source of the first restriction endonuclease? It is a Haemophilus influenzae. Okay, so what are the names of the three scientists? H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox, and T.J. Kelly. H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox, and T.J. Kelly. These three scientists had isolated the first restriction endonuclease from the bacterium, from the cytoplasm of the bacterium, Haemophilus influenzae. And what is the name of the restriction endonuclease? That is HIND2. H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox, and T.J. Kelly had isolated the first restriction endonuclease from the cytoplasm of the bacterium, Haemophilus influenzae, and called the restriction endonuclease as HIND2. The restriction endonuclease as HIND2. So what is the name of the restriction? First रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस, पहला रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस का नाम क्या है? HIND2, HIND Roman 2, Hind 2. Okay. So these are the contributions of the two groups of scientists. Again, I'm repeating the contribution of the first group of scientists, then contribution of the second group of scientists. It is very, very important to be remembered. So remember all these things very carefully, students. First, Stewart, Lean and हाँ, आपको साइंटिस्ट का नाम आपको याद रखना ही पड़ेगा. ये हिस्ट्री नहीं है, फिर भी आपको याद रखना ही पड़ेगा. Otherwise, you won't get full marks. So I know you definitely want to get full marks. So getting full marks, you need to remember the names of the scientists along with their spellings accurately and correctly. Okay. So what is the first group of scientists? First, Stewart, Lean and Werner Arber. Stewart, Lean and Werner Arber had isolated two enzymes from E. coli, Escherichia coli, had isolated two enzymes from E. coli that were responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophages, and out of the two enzymes, one enzyme added methyl groups to DNA, and other cut the DNA into segments. One of them added methyl groups to DNA and other cut the DNA into segments. Okay, so out of these two, you definitely know which one is restriction endonuclease. कौन सा वाला restriction endonuclease है आपको पता चल ही चुका होगा. Second one is the restriction endonuclease which cuts the DNA into segments. Okay, which cuts the DNA into segments. Second one, पहला वाला methyl group add करता है, पहला enzyme. Okay, so this finishes the contribution of the first group of scientists. What is contribution of the second group of scientists? So what are the names of second group of scientists? What are the names? First, H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox and T.J. Kelly. H.O. Smith, K.W. Wilcox and T.J. Kelly. These three scientists had isolated the first restriction endonuclease, from the bacterium, from the cytoplasm of the bacterium Haemophilus influenzae, and called the restriction endonuclease Hind 2, HIND 2, Roman 2, Hind 2. Okay, so what is the name of the first restriction endonuclease? पहला restriction endonuclease का नाम क्या है? Hind 2. And what is the source of the restriction endonuclease? The source is Haemophilus influenzae. Okay, so now I would like to take some pause here. So where have you heard Haemophilus influenzae? आपने Haemophilus influenzae इससे पहले आपने कहाँ पर पढ़ा था? Haemophilus influenzae you must have heard, because this is the 11th chapter of class 12th CBSE biology NCERT book, and Haemophilus influenzae is given earlier. It is given earlier in another one of the earlier chapters contains this Haemophilus influenzae scientific name. So where have you heard this Haemophilus influenzae? It belongs to chapter 8. That is human health and diseases. So definitely it is a part of human health and diseases. So it is the causal organism. It is a bacterium. Haemophilus influenzae, it is a bacterium. So it is the causal organism of one of the diseases. एक disease का causal organism है. So what is the name of the disease? कौन से disease का causal organism है Haemophilus influenzae? It is the causal organism of pneumonia. Remember, Haemophilus influenzae is the causal organism of pneumonia. Pneumonia का causal organism है, and pneumonia का एक ही causal organism नहीं है, उसका दो causal organism, चार नहीं, दो causal organism है. So what are the two causal organisms, names of the causal organisms of pneumonia disease? First is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Strep, mind the spelling correctly. It is all mentioned. It is all blinking on the screen. It should be correct. It shouldn't be mistaken. So be very careful, students. स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस निमोनिए, निमोनिया नहीं, निमोनिए, स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस निमोनिए एंड हीमोफिलस इन्फ्लुएंजाe. Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae, these are the two causal organisms of the disease pneumonia, which is given in chapter 8. So once again I'm repeating, Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae, these are the two causal organisms of the disease pneumonia given in chapter 8, that is human health and diseases. Chapter 8, remember. And what is the context of that Haemophilus influenzae here? It is very, very significant to remember the Haemophilus influenzae because it is the source of the first restriction endonuclease, first ever restriction endonuclease. What is the name? So what is the name of first restriction endonuclease? What is it? It is HIND, HIND, H should be capital, HIND 2 Roman 2, HIND 2. So HIND 2 क्यों लिखा जाता है, क्यों है ऐसा है, I would tell detailedly in the nomenclature part. Nomenclature part में पूरा डिटेल डिस्कशन होगा. I will discuss that there. HIND 2. So what is the name of first restriction endonuclease? It is HIND 2. Source. What is the source? It is a bacterium that is Haemophilus influenzae. Haemophilus influenzae, and that Haemophilus influenzae, it is the causal organism of pneumonia too. Pneumonia का भी causal organism होता है, और खाली वही नहीं होता है, pneumonia का causal organism और एक होता है Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae, these are the two causal organisms of the disease pneumonia. It is a very serious disease of the lungs. Okay, I've discussed separately about pneumonia in other video. So this finishes one of the major parts. The video is getting lengthier, so I would be discussing the other parts, other sections of the restriction enzymes in other separate videos, and it would take it is going to take 3 more videos, definitely, maybe 4 also, but definitely it would be 3 more videos about this restriction enzymes only. And it is very, very important. Remember, it is very important question. It comes as 1 marks type, 2 marks type, 3 marks type. It is very important, so don't leave this portion, students. Get it done very clearly. Okay, thank you so much. And one more thing I would like to ask, you just answer me in the comment section. What is the name of first restriction endonuclease, and what is the source of first restriction? What is the source of that first restriction endonuclease? Name as well as source. Name of first restriction endonuclease and source of first restriction endonuclease. Okay, so please, I'm waiting for all these things in the comment section to be answered. I'm eagerly waiting, so please answer these, students, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay tuned to get more such videos later. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, this is Manisha's Magical Biology. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, please press the bell icon, share it with everyone, and please share your views by commenting in the comment section. Thank you so much.